Hello and welcome to this interesting course. My name is Collins Edem Gidisu and I'll be your speaker for this course. And this course is brought to you by Extrasia. So I would have had some courses published on Udemy, particularly trying to show a lot of people how to be effective in the workplace, whether it's a career in IT. And I thought it's about time we take on the new interesting topic, which is AI. So I have a lot of interesting things that are coming up down the line in relation to AI. So let's have a look at what we are looking into this course. So this course practically is a very simple course that is very close to my heart, and I want to bring some level of practicality to the workplace. A lot of people have been talking about AI, and a lot of people have been confused in relation to how to integrate AI in their line of work. And there has been a lot of pushback from companies in terms of data protection and how to use AI responsibly, and a whole lot of kerfuffle that I will try and see if I can make it more friendly for you to understand on how to implement AI into your work. And a lot of people are also confused on how do we integrate AI into our line of business. So this course basically is the use of ChatGPT for everyday work. Now, this course is about just having a practical knowledge on how to use AI in the workplace. You're looking at things that have to do with real examples, real office workflows, how productivity can be boosted, how AI productivity can be 10x or 2x or 3x. It would have taken you, say, 3 hours to write a couple of emails that you'd be sending to a couple of people repetitively, but how can that now be boosted with the use of AI? There are so many everyday communication tasks that, like I just said, is repetitive, and you always have to use your brain drain to think about the content to write. And AI is here, and you probably have already been using it, but how effectively can you streamline it and implement it into your work in such a way that is responsible enough and it's not really on the negative side? Now, the course is not really highly technical. It's basically for beginners. So this course is not really going to be about coding or anything to do with AI engineering or to do with APIs or to do with automation setups or things to do with technical AI jargons or theory. I am assuming that you have heard of AI before and you have even tried to use it before by using the chat interface to ask it some sort of questions to help you break down some ice or brainstorm some ideas. This course is for you. So the logic here is that there are a lot of modern professionals that use AI, particularly ChatGPT. And normally in the past, when ChatGPT actually started, people would just type it in and they just ask it a question, oh, help me do this, help me do that. But the thing is, AI has evolved over these years, for the past 2, 3 years, and people are using it meticulously in a new way that I think it would be nice if I put a body of knowledge out there so that you can consume and implement into your work. That would help you. So people are working alongside AI assistants now. They're no longer just typing, copying, and pasting and all that. Even though that's predominantly some of the things we'll be doing here, but we'll be putting a lot of structures in place so that it becomes like a work process that you can be using to adopt into your professional work. So that's the introduction to this course. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper.